Let's take a look at how to manage your site's colors, themes, and fonts. To easily change the colors of your site, simply click on Design. Your choice. Color palettes available. Or you can create your own customized color scheme. Further down, you'll find more precise settings where you can assign a color to a specific element, such as the background color of your site or the color of your buttons. If you want to customize your blocks one by one, hover your mouse over the block you wish to modify. Click on the cogwheel that appears, and from there, you can change the background color of your block, add an image, contrasts, shadows. You can personalize your block any way you like. You can always change your theme by clicking on Website Design to display all available themes. Once you've chosen your new theme, click on Install, then choose which part of your new menu you'd like to import. The entire menu, just the colors, fonts, or style. To cancel an action, simply click on Cancel in the bottom left-hand corner. Finally, to manage your fonts, go to the Design tab under Fonts. It's easy to change font styles. You've got a lot of them to choose from. Note that the first font is used for all headings and the second font for the rest of the content.